Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a timer on any app. First of all, head over to your settings. Scroll below until you see Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Open it, and in here you will see app timers. In my case, it is showing Instagram, so you can go ahead and add anything. Tap on Set Timer. Under selected items, it is showing Instagram. But if you would like to add it on Facebook, you may go ahead, tap on Instagram, and choose Facebook from here or any application that you would like. Now select Done, then select this name. You can type in any name. I'm going to write in timer. Let's select Add Schedule. Let's go ahead and set a timer for only Friday. And let's go ahead, set it for 3, and it will be repeated each and every Friday. Now select Save. And as you do that, under App Timer, you can also view the list. So if you tap on View List, it says Timer reset every day at midnight. Timers can be set for apps in secure folder, so the app timer that you have set for Instagram will work likewise. Thank you all for watching, guys. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.